You guys, we are back with another cleaning video. I am doing Go Clean Co's 8-week cleaning challenge thing, whatever it's called. I just realized that my air fryer's on in the background. I'm making some corn dogs and I'm not gonna turn it off because I'm hungry. I am going to declutter, I'm going to clean, I'm going to do all the things in the kitchen. I'm vacuuming out the cabinets, vacuuming out the drawers, doing the tile, everything. So it's gonna be today, tomorrow, maybe the next day. If you see me change my outfit, it's probably because I am doing this over the course of a few days. That's just kind of how we have to do things around here. If you have kids, you know the deal. So I'm decluttering everything first. I'm not gonna clean anything first. I'm just going to go through, declutter, get rid of the things that we don't need. Then the cleaning will come later. Let's do it. I started out by decluttering our drawers, and honestly, I don't let our drawers get too out of control because I do not like the thought of a junk drawer. All of the space in our drawers have a purpose and a meaning, and I do go through them quite often. This drawer is the drawer I like to call my drawer. It has my camera supplies and then just a few odds and ends, some nail dip powder, my pens and pencils, gum, mints, and stuff. I actually got these little mini hands from a thrift shop. They were selling a bag of them. So I have a whole bunch, but these just happen to be in that drawer. Y'all, I think I just decluttered this whole thing. Got rid of a bunch of chargers and stuff, and I don't even think I recorded any of it. So you missed it, but I got most of the things that we need taken care of in there. Well, it's time for some corn dogs, so I'm taking a break. This cabinet is the most random in our kitchen. So we have a bunch of gift bags, we have some hydro jugs, some water bottles, we have like hats and mittens, and then shopping bags in our crock pot. I didn't declutter a whole lot from this section just because most of the stuff in there is stuff we use on a regular basis, or it's just like functional to have it right there. So the socks and the mittens, it's nice to have because our kitchen is on the way out the door. And then hydro jugs, they just fit down there a little bit better. I did have a can of spray paint, which was weird. I did take that out. And then the shopping bags, of course, went back in there. I did organize our lunch bags, though, a little bit better than they had been previously.
I absolutely hate taking up an entire cabinet for the dog items, but I don't know where else I would put them, so this just happens to be right next to where their food and water bowl is, and it actually works out pretty well. I do have these little wire racks for some of their treats and then just some grooming products, and then we have these dog food. Wow, that was really gross and dirty. The dog food containers are just from Target. I did just want to pop in here and introduce myself if you're new. My name's Jess. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've got 3 kids and a husband. My kids are 5, 3, and 1. I'm a former teacher. I resigned to be a stay-at-home mom. I post a lot of fitness content, mom content. Now I'm trying to post a lot of cleaning to give you motivation. So if you want to follow me over on Instagram or TikTok, I do post over there a lot more on the daily basis.
I just finished with these 2 cabinets down here, which I just showed you. But these 2 drawers were supposed to be my next step. But honestly, I go through these fairly often. I go through the drawers a lot because I hate like super clutter. This may look messy to you, but to me, this is very functional. I've got all my sandwich bags, snack bags, everything, parchment paper, aluminum foil, cling wrap. It may look kind of funky in here, but that's just the best way I can get them to fit. I have this little weird space. I'm just gonna move the Mio drink things over here, I think. But we just usually have like our drink flavorings all bunched right here. We don't put any fancy thing in here to keep them organized because sometimes the kids get in here anyway, and this actually just works for us. We just grab these. This is all like baking / cake making supplies or measuring supplies. And I go through this quite often. So I'm just gonna kind of straighten it up. Other than that, these aren't really gonna be messed with because honestly, I do them all the time. I decided I'm gonna do this and now I'm like dragging. And I don't want to make a coffee, so I'm just going to have a Celsius. This is the orange flavor. This is actually my favorite flavor. I haven't had that many flavors, but this is the best one. I had the apple, and it tasted like the apple like hard cider, and it just wasn't for me. I like the hard cider, but it reminded me of that. It made me feel like I was drinking, and I didn't like it. But I'm going to throw it in my Brewmate. I'll see if I can link to these below. This is the Slim. I don't know. I have the Hop Slater Trio as well for like the regular cans and the tall like pounder cans. So I'm going to drink this while I clean. I don't know how much I'm going to get done honestly today, but Russell took the boys to the park now, so I do have some more time. So I've got this drawer down here that is my kids' snack drawer, and they get in it all the time with their grimy hands. So I'm going to show you something real quick that I'm getting ready to clean. I'm just cleaning out the inserts, but look at that. Is the inside of the drawer. How disgusting. I know I wipe out the outside all the time, but the inside, I never even thought about wiping, and it's so gross.
Here I am cleaning our Lazy Susan. I think most people will put food in their Lazy Susan, but we don't because ours gets warm in that area because of the heat coming into the kitchen. For whatever reason, it like radiates into that space. Also, ours is called a Lazy Daisy. Does yours say Lazy Susan or does it say Lazy Daisy? One last ticket before it's gone. Okay, I'm throwing this out there because if you don't already do this, you should. Every time your kid or you or anytime you get a gift bag, save it, because we've been doing this and we never ever have to buy gift bags. We have birthday gift bags, we have Valentine's gift bags, we have Christmas gift bags. Save them, and the only thing you'll have to buy is tissue paper. If you don't save your tissue paper, you can save your tissue paper as well. I'm just saying it saves a lot of money, and you always have a gift bag. You don't have to run to the store last minute.
Beating on my door, running faster, faster than my dreams, and I can't stop to breathe. Before the truth.
Okay, so this is like what deep cleaning consists of, is like random little things like this. So I'm gonna wipe the top of this and I'm gonna show you how dirty it is. So a place you wouldn't really think would get dirty. That's just one pass. I didn't get it all. That is disgusting. It's right next to the microwave and the stove. So I don't know if it's like the hot air goes up with like the food, you know, it's like hot steam. I just wiped all of these off as well, and it's just like sticky up there, and it's grossing me out. But I was like, oh my gosh, this is something that you don't even know because it's so nasty up there. Ugh. All right, we are on top of the cabinets, and I don't know if you can see this, how nasty this is, but see all that? I'm gonna try to show you. It's so gross. This is like above the microwave and the stove, so it's pretty sickening. I'm trying to prop you up here. Okay, so I'm using Clorox wipes just because it's easiest to like just throw them away, but they don't like wipe very well because this is so sticky. But can you see that? Oh, that's so nasty. All right, we're gonna get it clean.
One last fight before I lose. I ask myself, where should I go? Did I do enough to feed my soul? And you're beating on my
All clean. I really love the look of white cabinets. The only problem is any little splatters show up on them, so I do have to wipe them down all the time. This day I did take a little extra time to wipe them down really, really well, but most of the time, about every other week, I do go through and wipe them down.
And I can't stop to breathe.
I totally did not realize that my head was like front and center in the shot. I had a cold headband. It's like an eye patch that you can put in the freezer, and I had a headache, so I put it on my head, and I know I look so silly.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I'd always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive,
I used Barkeeper's Friend on the stove to get all the little specks and things that were like caked on, and I love this stuff. I use the liquid kind, and I could not recommend it more. The kids have their own kitchen in our kitchen, and then they also have their own table and chairs, but they get so dirty, and they're white once again, so you can see everything on them, which I guess is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing because I feel like I wipe them down every single day.
When we were still alive. When we were still alive. When we were still alive. When we were still alive.
Nope, nope, nope. In this room. In this room only.
I have the O-Cedar spin mop, and I absolutely love it, but I don't always want to get the bucket and the mop out. It was really late this night, and I didn't want to get it out, so I did recently get the O-Cedar spray mop, so you just fill it up with whatever solution you want, spray and mop, and it's just a lot easier for like an everyday use.
And give me life when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
Y'all, this full kitchen clean out took me 3 days. So if you're ever feeling discouraged that you just can't get it all done in one day, that's okay. Sometimes getting a little bit done each day is better than not getting anything done at all.
Take it how you want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beat slam, not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, said she from Atlanta.
Summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
All right, y'all. The kitchen has been cleaned. Well, clearly it's been lived in a little bit. I finished up cleaning last night, and it's been an entire day, and it still looks pretty good, huh, babe?
Yeah.
Yep, and Mara helped me. And then this is my flowers, and those are Mara's flowers.
Pink ones are mine. Yellow ones are Mom's.
There it is, all clean. I look like much more of a mess now than I did at the beginning of this video. It's been 3 days, so yeah, it took a while. But I hope this video gave you some motivation to clean. I hope this video gave you some motivation to look on top of your cabinets to see what's going on up there and to wipe them down. That's gonna be it for me. I hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe if you want to stick around. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.